Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm making one of the memorable dish that me and Hanya tasted it in Phuket, Thailand. And it was the first street food we've tasted in Thailand. It was so delicious. It was grilled pork belly Thai basil. Thai basil is Thai's signature street food or restaurant food in America with Thai holy basil. But honestly, holy basil is really hard to find in America. So I'm just gonna use regular Thai basil. And I just chopped 4 cloves of garlic. And I just smashed it down. My Thai chili, but it's not really doing well, so I'm gonna chop it a little bit. Just like that. Okay, set aside. And I'm going to pick some basil. Like I said, I'm using Thai basil today, but traditionally in Thai, they use holy basil, very hard to find in America, so I'm fine with this basil because I love Thai basil too. I noticed in Thai, when you order this Thai basil dish, they really don't put much of a basil, and I always like super extra basil in my Thai basil, so I'm gonna put a lot of them, but you can absolutely just adjust with your taste. And if you cannot find Thai basil, you can absolutely use regular Italian sweet basil. Actually, I think that's more closer taste to Thai holy basil for this dish. How you guys like me talking and cooking all at the same time? You have no idea what kind of a struggle we went through to make this happen, because this kitchen is really not that great for one. This kitchen didn't set up for this kind of filming, okay? But my sink is over there. Then I have to run back and forth, but it's okay, we do for you. So if you like this, my old style, get back, cooking and talking same time, give me thumbs up and leave us comment, please, because we leave and we get motivated and inspirations from your comments and thumbs up. It means a lot to us. Before we start cooking, I actually went ahead and marinated my pork belly, and this is how I did it. For this recipe, you will need a pound of pork belly or pork butt, cutting into bite size, and marinated with some pinch of black pepper or white pepper, a teaspoon of thin soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Thai fish sauce, a little bit of lime juice, mix everything together, and marinate them for 5 to 10 minutes while you're preparing other ingredients, and it's ready to go. All right, so now I'm gonna heat my wok over high heat. And even though we are cooking pork belly, I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil. So this way the pork belly will sweat their fat out more faster. Now, pork belly goes in. Let's sear the pork belly until they are nice and crispy outer edges, but still juicy and soft inside. I'm using wok today, but you can absolutely use regular skillet if that's what you prefer or that's all you have. It's completely fine. The pork belly Thai basil we had in Patong Beach was actually grilled pork belly, and then they chop it up and then stir fried again. But at home, to do that 2 different cooking steps is a little pain in the butt. So I'm just frying them up on the wok, since the wok was a bit dirty anyway, so I'm not gonna dirty up 2 pans, you know what I mean? And don't be scared of all this fat right here. We're gonna actually pour it out a little bit. We're not gonna eat it all in one meal, okay? It's like a bacon fat. You can actually save them for later cooking. Turn off the heat. I'm going to pour out all this fat into my grease container. Just make sure you have about a tablespoon left in your pan, because we will need that for a stir frying. Just grease. Woo, it's hot, be careful. Set aside. Turn the heat back on. And I'm gonna add the chopped garlic and the chili. Oh, the chili, garlic with the pork smells fantastic. This is time to add some 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 to 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. Oh yeah, like that. And 3 to 4 tablespoons of palm sugar or regular sugar or brown sugar, any sugar that you have. But I love palm sugar for Thai cooking. And just stir, stir, stir. Oh, I forgot my green beans. Where's my green bean at? Okay, I forgot green beans while I'm prepping other ingredients. It's been a long time that I'm filming like this and I forgot one ingredient. Cut green beans into 1-inch pieces, not too long. I was like, why there's so much sauce? So good. Let's keep cooking. This is almost getting ready. So I'm actually going to make some fried egg. You okay, Jacob? Jacob is like, too spicy? That's sneeze.
It won't come out.
And while the egg is cooking, I'm gonna finish up my pork belly Thai basil. Add all the Thai basil, then just toss it. This is the amount of Thai basil I like. This is the right amount. My egg is good. What I'm gonna do real fast to my egg is pour a little oil over the yolk. Okay. Done. Let's serve. All right, I made fresh jasmine rice, and I'm gonna serve my Thai basil with my jasmine rice. Thai basil with extra basil. The final finale of this dish is a fried egg, nice and crispy egg. And ta-ta! Serve with lime on the side, and it's ready. No, we don't care. You're my insanity. This main one is actually for photos, like you see on my vlog, on my website, and thumbnails, the beautiful picture. Now I'm gonna take picture with this one, but so I'm gonna make a little small dish for myself over here to taste. The green bean was a really nice touch for this one. I never seen green beans in the Thai basil, so don't forget little lime. Savory, sweet, umami bomb with crispy, chewy pork belly with that garlicky, spicy sauce with so delicious with the basil. I don't know about you, but this is absolutely one of my favorite Thai dishes. So delicious. 이거 한 입만 먹어. Hanyo doesn't like basil. I give him only the pork. You wanna bite?
Whoa!
맛있죠? 맛있지? Guys, if you liked my Thai basil recipe and if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and ideas of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching me today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung and this is Asian at Home. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys!